Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be cooking a healthy egg omelet on the Pit Boss Sierra Griddle. This particular omelet will not have any cheese. However, it will have bacon. I'm going to turn all three burners on to low and start some food prep while this heats up. For this omelet, we will need bacon, salt, pepper, green onion, 4 large eggs, crushed red pepper, and 1 red bell pepper. Okay, let's prep this food and go on outside. Temperature wise, I have the middle sitting at around 310. I have the right at about 300 and the left around 255. I'm going to start off sauteing the red bell pepper in the middle. I'm going to put some marbled rye on butter toast on the left. And then after those peppers are done, I'm just going to move them over to the left and cook the eggs in the middle. This is the end result. I think it came out great. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like inside. Now that I am finished eating, it's time for a little cleanup to take place. As you can see, the mess isn't too bad. There's just some egg residuals on the griddle surface. To clean it, I'm going to use water, a nylon scraper, some paper towels, and a little bit of heat. I like to get the top to around 180 to 200, and I find that when I throw some water down, the steam and the scraping will lift all the junk off. The discoloration that remains in the center and a little bit to the right is from burnt on oil, and that's going to take something a little more heavy duty to remove off the surface, which I will do in my next video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more fantastic content.